In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated stories with Chatgpt images. This unique process can transform your storytelling by combining AI-generated visuals and narration into captivating animations. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create your animated story using Chatgpt. First, you'll want to begin by opening Chatgpt. This versatile AI tool provides the backbone for our project, allowing you to generate text and images seamlessly. Once you have Chatgpt up and running, start a new chat. Starting fresh ensures that all your prompts and creative inputs are directed specifically towards the story you will be crafting. Now, the fun part begins. Ask Chatgpt to help you develop a short story. Be as detailed or as minimalist as you wish. Provide the AI with a theme, central characters, or even just a particular mood you have in mind. ChatGPT's powerful capabilities will assist in weaving a narrative that fits your ideas. Once your short story is laid out, take a moment to review it. Tweak any details to better suit your vision. With your story in hand, it's time to move on to creating visuals. Tap into ChatGPT 4.0, also known as DALL-E, to generate illustrations based on your story. Describe specific scenes or elements you want illustrated, and DALL-E will conjure them into existence. Remember, the level of detail in your prompts will influence the precision of the images produced, so take advantage of this feature to bring intricate scenes to life. Once your images are ready, it's time to breathe life into them. Choose a free animation or video editing tool that you're comfortable with. There are many out there, from user-friendly platforms like Canva or Animaker to more comprehensive options like DaVinci Resolve. Upload the images and start arranging them in a sequence that mirrors the flow of your story. This is your chance to experiment with transitions, to see how each image smoothly leads into the next. To add an extra layer of engagement, consider using AI narration. This enhances the storytelling effect, drawing the audience into your tale. Whether you choose a soft, soothing voice or a more dynamic tone, aligning the narration style with the mood of your story is key. There are several AI narration tools available, so explore the different voices and intonations to find the perfect match for your narrative. Finally, combine everything, visuals, motion, and audio, into your editor of choice to create a cohesive story. This is where your creative touch plays a vital role. Adjust timing, layer sound effects, and ensure each element complements the other. This final step brings consistency, making your animated story more enjoyable to watch. And there you have it. By leveraging ChatGPT for storytelling, DALL-E for visuals, and a combination of animation and narration tools, you've crafted an engaging animated story ready for sharing. Enjoy the creative journey and the chance to captivate an audience with your own unique tale.